Here is a step-by-step guide to change your IP address on MacBook, whether you want to do it manually. So let's get started. First of all, simply tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the System Settings or System Preferences option available there. Now, once in there, in the left-hand side panel, you can see Wi-Fi button available there. Simply tap on the Wi-Fi. Once inside the Wi-Fi, select your Wi-Fi network. Click on the details option available there. Once you tap on the details, now here all you have to do is tap on the TCP/IP button available there. Then tap on configure IPv4. From there, simply tap on the manually. Now enter your new IP address, and all you have to do is tap on the done or OK button available there, and this will refresh your IP address assigned by the router. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.